Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And a couple of weeks ago from Aliexpress, of course, I received M5 stack Atom Lite, and it's a programmable development board in nice case, and it looks awesome. And this thing cost around 9 to 10 US dollars from Aliexpress, and you can do a lot of things using this small, let's say, cube or gadget that can be programmed. And in today's video I will show you one awesome project. Let's start. And for those who are seeing this for the first time, let me share from Mr. Google what it says. The M5 stack Atom Lite is a compact 24 by 24 by 10 mm Internet of Things development board powered by ESP32 Pico D4 dual core 240 MHz processor, 4 MB of flash, and 520 KB of SRAM. Also, it features built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and programmable RGB LED behind, and also it has a infrared LED transmitter, 6 GPIO header on the top. You can see that Type-C, and also we can hook up a battery and one programmable button. Beside that, it has also a reset button. And just for you guys, I'm gonna open this thing so you can see inside. By the way, it's a beautiful case. Oh, here it is, the tiny development board with ESP32 inside. You can see the programmable LED chip right here, the programmable button, the reset button, and from below we have the pin headers. And I can see it. Where is it? Oh, here it is, the infrared LED. So tiny. Let me grab my microscope. Oh, the microscope is doing a great job. I can see the chip inside that programmable LED. Crazy. Whoa. And where is the infrared LED? Here it is. It's a tiny one. Alright. The connector, the Type-C connector, is the biggest electronic component of this board. Okay. As I told you, on the top we have 9 pins, and 3 of them are for the ground, 5 volts and 3.3 volts, and the rest 6 of them are general purpose input-output pins. And you know that I love to make my own extensions, just like this one I made on the ordinary breadboard, so I can hook it up like this. Okay, and here, whoa, this small thing, it's a peer motion sensor, and I can attach it like this. Grab my power supply, which is Type-C, but easily you can hook it up on a lithium rechargeable battery, power it on, and voila! Now I have an alarm, motion triggered alarm, and I have already uploaded the code to the M5 stack, and right now it's working, but you can't see it. Why? Because it's a Wi-Fi project. And yes, you need to visit the IP address that will be given in Arduino IDE software, and you can copy that IP address and paste into the smartphone and visit the website. And what it says: Atom security, system secure because right now there is no movement. I'm not moving at all. But take a look what will happen if I put my hand. Alarm detected, and also the smartphone, it's making a sound. I made a portable alarm system that can send alarms to your smartphone. I need to remove it so you can hear me clearly. So the code is for making a motion triggered alarm that connected to your Wi-Fi router or network, and if trigger some kind of motion, it will send an alarm to your smartphone, which is pretty useful and pretty amazing. What do you think? Is this good or bad? What do you think? Please comment below. Wow, right now it's not working because I disconnect from the power. I'm gonna connect it again and show to you that it work. Need couple of seconds so can connect to my network. I'm gonna refresh the page. Is it good? Is it connected? Yes, it's working. Now I'm not moving at all, and it says system secure. Wow. With couple of line codes you can make this. Also I will share the code and you can find it in description below, so you can make your own Wi-Fi alarm just like this one. Wow, beautiful. Okay. You get the point. Okay, that was all for today. Short video where I present how to make an alarm using a M5 stack Atom Lite and adding my extension board with the peer motion sensor, and that's it. Give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!